I call on the Sudanese people to join this peace agreement, to join the SPLM and the National Congress Party in the peace process, because this peace agreement belongs to them. It does not belong to John Garang or the SPLM leadership. It does not belong to Ali Osman Taha or President Bashir or to the... I was promoted by His Excellency the President of the Republic of South Sudan, and I'm still continuing with my duties, and I'm doing the work of the nation. We have to protect our people, no matter where they are, and as soldiers, this is our work. As special force, I'm still commanding as a commander. There's nowhere we are going.
Chineke jo shaling General Mike Chelare no changa jak akwer menchol self-care mayardit ken lade changa jak je no balad kan woda go ajana Ramadan jo iko bede ka beka la dor abekenele en betel bo kabad lade bo lat ke kwi nene dial tel chale je so Sudan atala ramba banjor
jen ji self-care jako bo ka mayom bakor to ka mayom badawde be lo jalajan kajan maguyan mo aram kel madong telai da ko da nei mayom wala ngwana te chukur to ka mayom da ka wiyan mai
kon ngwana dial kon to ka mayom kon ara la ro dan ka banda un mishir shi udomon ko ngaba belen shi mo go Georgia Ram Chaja, self-care mayari.
Still protect the nation, no matter what, no whatever, no matter anything that causes me. As a studio boy. Go!